Oh, look at that. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to Mad Scientist BBQ. I'm Jeremy Yoder, and today we are cooking a whole ribeye roast on the Burch barrel, and to do it with us is Jackson LaBar. So I just got finished with my first barbecue class in Kentucky. It was like a marathon of cooking meat and no sleep. Still a little beat from that. One of the things that made it easier was Jackson coming to help. So he was doing Burch barrel demos. We had low and slow indirect cooking, so cooking meat with fire that way, and then we had direct heat cooking with the Burch barrel. Funny story about how this all came together. My first barbecue class that I did in LA, Jackson was one of the participants. He was really impressed with the Burch barrel, got hooked up with them, and now is doing some Burch barrel demos. And so he made the best bite of food I had all weekend. And it was this cut and this barrel, and he's gonna show us exactly how he did it. It was awesome. All right, so Jackson, what did you do? Because I need to know, I wanna be able to do this myself.
Well, it's pretty simple. So I cut it in 1/3, and I just put salt and pepper and garlic, and I let it sear for 5 minutes on each side, and I level it up. I put it on like 250 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And I just let it sit for about like 20 minutes and flip each side.
Well, we have a knife, so you can divide it in thirds. Or, if you're a real man, I bet you could just karate chop it into thirds. That would be more fun.
Yeah,
It'd be more impressive, at least.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you looking for like the ideal cut? Do you want it to be pretty square, or do you want to have kind of different levels of thickness? What are you looking for when you divide it into those thirds?
I always go for like the middle.
What seasonings are we going to use here? So you said salt, pepper, garlic, right? So here we have salt, peppers, any garlic mixed in that?
No, it's just 50-50 salt and pepper.
Okay, 50-50 salt and pepper. And then we have a couple Santa Maria seasonings here. Which one do you want to use?
This one.
This one,
Yeah.
okay. I've used this one before, really like it. In this one, we've got salt, pepper, garlic, and some other stuff, but take it away and show us how you did it, because I want to observe every part of it.
Okay.
All right, guys, the sun came out, so we're gonna take things easy on ourselves. We're out here in the shade, and we're gonna talk about how we're gonna run the cook. So I see you have some Fogo lump charcoal in there. You have a couple wood chunks. And how do you wanna do this? Do you wanna sear it first and then bring it up to temperature, or do you prefer the reverse sear method?
I prefer to sear it first and then just let it sit with the lid up for about like 20 minutes on each side, and just let it rest for about, I say like 10 minutes.
Got it. So we're gonna sear it, get that crust and build all that flavor on the outside, and then you're gonna lift it up so you have that physical separation so you can really control the cook temp.
Yes.
And then the whole time we're getting wood smoke from the wood chunks in there and fat smoke from the fat dripping into the flames. And all right, well, it's getting to be about lunchtime, so I am hungry. Let's cook some meat. Everyone thinks you want grill marks. No, what you want is an even sear. That's what you want. So you have all those flavorful compounds that have formed on the outside. That's what you want. The grill marks are an aesthetic. This is what's really tasty. So if you're a pyromaniac and you want meat cooked with fire, this is fun.
Yeah, really.
Are we looking for like 250, 300 on this?
We're looking like 275.
Oh, okay.
300. Anything higher, if you do higher, it would just kind of burnt, and lower it would just like be very, very slow cook. So just right in between.
Okay. All right, and then we're gonna have fat dripping into those coals, and it's about to smell really, really good here.
Yep.
Oh, it's already starting.
Yeah.
All right, now that we have kind of lower temps, how long are we gonna do this? You said 20 minutes?
Yes, about 20 minutes, and then we'll just flip it the other side and just cook it for another 20 minutes.
Oh, so we get it more even.
Yes, get it even cook.
Okay.
And we'll just keep on doing that until we get our eternal temp. Medium rare, so 130.
Okay, until we reach that point, we'll just enjoy the magnificent smells that are coming out of this thing right now.
Yes.
Oh, it's making me so hungry.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Okay, Jackson, this thing smells incredible. Looks really good. Is there anything else we have to do besides slice it?
Yes, so once we're done slicing, I like to season it just a little bit because it is a roast.
It's not like a brisket where it's had 16 hours on the smoker to distribute all the salt.
Yeah.
We kind of need to do it manually. And I'm guessing we probably wouldn't need to if we had, brined this thing beforehand. But
Yeah, you could do that. Personally, I don't like to brine, but I just like to just season it and put it on the grill.
Keep it simple. All right, well, let's slice it. Whoa, man. All right, Jackson, would you do the honors?
Looks like it's a loaf of bread.
Bread wishes it could taste this good. All right, so let's hit it with some salt and pepper because I can't wait anymore. Let's do it. That is a really good looking bite. Cheers, Jackson. This looks
Cheers.
great. That's really freaking good.
Yeah.
Simple preparation too. With the salt added, salt level is perfect like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, that bite was even better. Yeah, Jackson, for me, what does it is this has kind of everything I want. So we have the sear on the outside and the meat's tender on the inside, juicy in there. We have fat smoke flavor. We have wood smoke flavor. It just hits all the buttons for me, man. This is awesome. Thank you so much for doing this.
Well, thank you so much for inviting me out, and thank you for doing a video.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
If you guys enjoyed the video, you can hit the like button down below, and you can subscribe to the channel for more fun and informative barbecue content. If you're interested in Burch Barrel stuff, I'll put a link in the description. And big thank you again to Jackson for helping me do this. You guys can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Mad Scientist BBQ. And you can follow me on Patreon, and you can do stuff like these classes, and we always put that out to the patrons first. I hope you guys try this at home. It's worth it, and I'll see you guys next time.